Assalamualaikum student of class 9. I am your ICT teacher Khurshid Alam Rani from Square High School and College, and today I am going to show you the process of installation and uninstallation of software. So let's get started. We know that the ICT devices are operated with software. These pieces of software have to be installed in the computer or in other devices. When we purchase any ICT device, the seller asks us about the software that we require. After installing the required pieces of software along with operating software, he gives it to us. In this way, we can use ICT devices. For example, computer, tablet, smartphone, etc. as we require. The process of installing operating system software is complex and expertise is essential for this task. We will have discussion on it in your next class. In addition to the operating system software, we need different types of software. These pieces of software should be installed on the basis of our needs. Installation of any software requires special attention to the issues given below. Whether the hardware of your device supports the pieces of software to be installed. Whether there is anything important in README file, if any, read it. Whether all other works are stopped during the installation. If not, the installation process often gets hampered. Whether the antivirus software is turned off, and whether the administrator of the operating system has the permission or not. Installation of software, except the operating system one, depends almost on the operating system itself. However, the process of installation is almost the same. We need the soft or digital copy of the piece of software to install it. It can be installed from CD, DVD, pen drive, or the internet. In most of the cases, a program called autorun is attached with the software. When you insert a CD and DVD or connect a pen drive to the USB port, the autorun program becomes activated and the piece of software seeks permission to set up. Follow the next steps after giving the permission and the piece of software will be installed in your computer. After restarting the device, you will be able to use the program. The steps of installing a piece of software is shown below. Here I am showing you the installation of VLC media player. Okay. Double click the setup file of the piece of software. The following figure is setup file. Double clicking on it will start the installation. The steps can be followed for software installation. Uninstallation of software. Now you have learned how to install a software. Suppose that you do not need to use the software anymore. What will you do then? Most of the users keep the software in the hard disk. However, it occupies up space and creates problem to run the ICT device smoothly. Therefore, it is wise to uninstall unnecessary software. The operating system software help us to get the task done. The nature of all kinds of operating system software is almost same. However, it is easier to uninstall software from a device run by the Android operating system, especially in the touch screen smartphones. Select the application from the setting and touch the particular software. A menu will be viewed on the screen. Click the space where uninstall is written and the piece of software will be uninstalled. The following steps should be followed to uninstall a software from a computer or an ICT device run by Microsoft Windows operating system. Click the Start button and go to the control panel, then double click the Add or Remove or point to uninstall a program. Click Uninstall of the program that you want to remove and uninstallation will start instantly. If the bulk of the file is large, it may take longer. Usually the computer needs to be restarted after the uninstallation of software. Be careful before uninstalling any software, or else uninstallation of a program may make it impossible to run the computer without its reinstallation. Therefore, you must be careful. Deletion of software. We know that deleting means erasing something. In fact, by uninstalling a piece of software, we delete it from our ICT device. What will we do with delete command then? A software once installed in the ICT device cannot be uninstalled completely unless it is deleted by following the recommended process, or else it creates problem. Some parts of uninstalled programs are dumped in the registry file of the operating system. However, it is possible to delete any program following the steps shown below. We should also be careful in doing the task. The steps to be followed to delete. At first, uninstall the piece of software as per the previous instruction and follow the next steps. Pressing Windows and R button, activate Run command, write regedit and press Enter. Enter the file menu, then click on Export. The drive that contains the operating software, that is C, should be selected. Save the file. It is very important. If any error is made, the system may be repaired. Enter edit, then point to find out the name of the software to be deleted, for example Audials. Click Find Next. Select in this way. Pressing the right button of the mouse, click the Delete option. Finally, press F3 of the keyboard and delete all the files having the name from the registry. In this way, the entire process of deleting will be completed. Okay student, that is all about for today. In next class, I will discuss about security of your computer. Till then, goodbye.